Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So, last week we did analysis on our gold, right? We talked about opening and closing bullish. Can you take a look at it? We can see this gold has given us a bullish move, right? So, we talked about having a bullish move on our gold. So, we've actually gotten this bullish move. Now we want to see where this price will be moving for this week that is coming, which is January, first week of January. The markets will not open on Monday, which is for the 26th. The markets will open on the 27th. So let's take a look at what that price will be moving for the week. In order to be able to predict this price itself, right? To be able to understand this movement, I want us to actually analyze it from the higher time frame downward to the 4-hour time frame to be able to predict such movement. So when we are to zoom it out, right, let's start this movement from 2016. So this movement from 2016 has been giving us a bullish move on our gold. We clearly can see an higher highs and an higher lows, no doubt about that. It actually got to its peak. Now take a look at this peak that price get to. You need to watch out for it because it is going to be useful in 2023, right? We are going to the month of 2020, the year of 2023. It will be very, very useful. We will need it. So this price go to the peak. That was around 2020, right? The price now dropped, came to this low. This is one of the reasons why I've highlighted this level in case you might be asking why they highlight this level. So price dropped to the same level. The price came up and price came again to test the same level. This is one of the reasons why I highlighted this level and I will be taking it as the support level. The price rallied up and came to our highs again where price got to, right. That highest price got to around 2020, right. I think that is the highest point price has actually gotten to, right. So price got to that level again, and guess what? Price gave us a drop on this gold. So kind of like you can see this as a false breakout, by the way, if you want. Like consider this gold as a false breakout. Then after this price has now come, we can take this level as a support level. What do you expect? We expect it to actually give us that bullish move again to take out this resistance level. So for the year 2023, continue to expect more bullish move on our gold to take out this resistance level. I think in 7 8 months time we should be able to achieve that goal, right. So for this trade is mostly good for position traders, those who want to trade long term, 3 to 6 months. You can be able to grab such movement. That is one. Previously, if you take a look at this period around that 2016, you can see this price. It was trading above the 10 period moving average. Now, those of you that don't really know how to trade this moving average, we all know that once the price is above the 10 period moving average, as long as you are seeing a rally movement upward, then all you should watch out for is actually a bullish move, go long. So this is what we were having on this gold, right. Gold has been giving us an higher highs and higher lows. It is above our 10 period moving average. Then kind of price kind of range within this level, right. So we still see this as a uptrend move, but as at now price is kind of like ranging. If you take a look at this movement here, you see that this price will come to this highs, then come to this low, kind of like a support and resistance level. Now you will see it as reject from this support level. We expect it to actually go up to hit this resistance level, and once it break out of this resistance level, we will continue the bullish move. But first, we need to take out this resistance level. That is to tell you that gold is bullish. And if you take a look at this movement here, price has now broken above our 10 period moving average. Right? Previously, it was trading below this 10 period moving average. This is one of the reasons why we were selling, if you were following consistently. But now price has given us a bullish move. I think the month of November, we opened and closed bullish, right? You can also see to the month of December. December also gave us a bullish move. I can assure you that the month of January, which is next year, will also give us a bullish move. You can see it. November we opened and closed bullish. December, right, for last year or for the last year of the year. Last month for the year, right? So actually opened and closed bullish. Now the first month for the year, which is January, expect our price to open and close bullish. So above all, monthly time frame, all we should be watching out for if you are a swing trader, we should be speculating a bullish move on gold. Now that should take us to the like weekly time frame, right? So we know we talked about having a bullish move last week. So take a look at this weekly time frame, right? Price kind of gave us like a double bottom here. We saw price came rejected at this level. This is one of the reasons why candlestick wick is sticking at the bottom. Then price rejected at the same level for the second time and again for the third time. So like a triple bottom there. Then price kind of kind of like gave us that bullish move. Then a pullback was made here. We had another bullish move and a pullback. After that pullback, what do you expect? You expect another impulse move. So if you take a look at it, if you zoom in properly, you see that this ice, a new ice have already been formed. You see that the new ice have broken this previous ice. This is one of the reasons why a candlestick wick is sticking at the top, right? So we would expect more bullish move on this our gold, right? So since this week that just finished we close bullish, this week that we are predicting for, we expect it to actually close bullish by the way. So more bullish move is to be made on this gold, right? So I talked about last week when we were doing this analysis, I talked about hitting a level of 1,835. You can go back to confirm. The level that I will talk about hitting for the week is 1,835. Guess what? Price actually made get to a level of 1,833. What we were watching out for, the level was 1,835, but price got to a level of 1,833. Pretty much very close, right? The analysis cannot be 100% correct or perfect, but at least it should be close for it to it. So price got to it. So this week that would want to expect, I would be expecting this price to actually, let me see if price should be able to hit a level of 1,846. So I'll watch out, possibly break above it. So this week, right, I will be watching out for this level, which is 1,846. So I even believe it will even break out of this level. So if there's a much volatile movement for this week, then we should be able to take out that level, right? So 1,846 is the level that I will be watching out for. You can also see it is trading below above the moving average. Now, previously, if you take a look at this movement, it was trading below this 10 period moving average. You can see lower lows and lower highs on the weekly time frame. Now you can now see higher highs and higher lows. So it is simple. If you want to take a trade on this gold, watch out for a bullish move. That should now take us to the daily time frame. Like I said, this is the daily time frame. You want to take this trade, right? And before you actually place your trade, you would want to ask yourself one question. What is the trend for the movement that I would want to trade? Is it an uptrend move, downtrend or move, or a ranging market move? As markets do make that type of movement, it's either going up or going down or ranging. So what we are seeing here on the daily time frame is actually going up. So we will start this movement from here as an ice. We will now take this to be a correction. Then we will now see this to be a new ice, pull back here. You can call this as a double top, right, if you want. And now a new ice has been made. This is one of the reasons why this candlestick wick is sticking out that broke this previous ice. And here will be taken as a pullback. After this pullback, what do you expect? We expect a new ice to be made. So this week that we are predicting for, new ice will be formed, especially on the daily time frame. So expect a more bullish move for the week on gold. You can also still see it still trading above your 10 period moving average. As long as the price is still above the 10 period moving average, then there's only one movement you should watch out for. Go long, like I just said. If it is above the 10 period moving average on the weekly time frame, and it is also above the 10 period moving average on the daily time frame, then definitely that is a buy movement, and all you would want to look out for is actually to go bullish. Now let's see what this 4 hour time frame is actually saying. So we can see this level on the 4 hour time frame. Price is kind of like ranging within this 4 hour time frame, right? You can see price went up and price came to this same level again. Price came to this same level. Price dropped a little bit, then price came to the same level again. I believe by this week we should be able to break out of this level, which is the resistance level on the forward time frame. Price should be able to break out of it, come to take out this candlestick wick. Once price can take it out, which you can see as a liquidity, the price can give us a pullback. After the price has given us a pullback, price should give us a new highs thereby breaking this previous highs. Above all, this week on gold, we should actually get a bullish move.